CBC Purpose Statement. We are a values-driven team. We are the best in class. We provide the best distribution solution to your business needs. We live and breathe quality. We, the Distribution Division of Sterling Pharma Philippines, are recognized as the best in distribution operations. We have the hardest and the deepest reach, delivering goods at the lowest cost, exceeding customer expectation and service and speed. We are sought after by principal and customers in providing new and innovative solutions that create the highest value to our stakeholders. We're a team partner of our internal and external role modeling and collaboration in driving common objectives. We constantly challenge our current processes and benchmark across industries to learn and consistently deliver best-in-class performance standards. We have the high expectation on ourselves as an organization, bringing out the best in everybody, thus giving us the opportunity to celebrate our countless achievements.